Kurzweil 3000 Basics. This video will teach you how to log in and upload files, how to choose a reading voice and speed, adjust the document view, how to use the highlighters, and how to use the dictionaries. How to upload files. First, open up your web browser and type in Kurzweil3000.com. Hit enter, and it will take you to the login page. Log in with your username and password that was given to you. Click Login. This is your universal library. First, I want to show you the classic literature folder. If there's any classic literature you need to read for your class, you might want to check here to see if it's in here first. Next, go to your name and click on Private. Go to the right side of your screen and click the orange Upload button. Locate the file you want uploaded and click Open. It might take a few seconds to a minute for it to upload. Click OK once it has been uploaded and click your file to open it. And here is your file. How to choose a reading voice and speed. Go to the upper left corner of your screen and click on Audio Options. Choose a voice that is pleasant for you to listen to. These are all of the US accented English voices. If you scroll down, there's also Australian, British, and an Indian English accent you can choose from. For the other languages, the text must be in that language for it to read properly. Next, choose a reading speed. I recommend starting out at normal or -1. The more you get comfortable with listening to Kurzweil, you might want to increase the speed. Next, click on Skip Reading Headers and Footers so that Kurzweil will not read your page numbers. For the unit, choose either sentence or paragraph and click Continuous for the reading mode so your reading will continue after the unit is finished reading. Adjust the document view. To adjust the document view, go to the left upper corner and click on Document View. You can either choose to use the sliding scale to zoom in and out of your text, or you can choose to fit the width of your screen. There's also a dark mode option that offers high contrast, and this is what the controls and buttons look like in dark mode. Next, to start reading, click where you want to start and click the play button at the top of the screen in the center.
Biology is the science that studies living organisms and their interactions with one another in their environments.
How to use dictionaries. First, click on a word you want to define and go to the upper right corner of your screen and click on the book icon. Click on Dictionary, and your definition will appear in the middle of your screen. There's also other dictionaries to choose from. You can choose a children's dictionary or a college writer's dictionary or a picture dictionary. To use the translation feature, click on the book icon again and click Translation. You can translate a few sentences or a word. Choose a language you want to translate to. The languages in bold have a voice for it. All the other languages that are not in bold, it will still translate, but there will be no voice for it. Click Translate and click Retranslation to hear out loud.
Biología. Biología.
How to use the highlighters. To use the highlighters, go to the left of your screen and click on the highlighter tools icon. You can choose whatever color you'd like and highlight the word you want. To erase the highlight, just go to the highlighter tools icon again and click on the eraser icon and erase what you want. Go back to the highlighter tools icon and you can choose as many different colors of highlighters as you want to highlight your document. Here I'm highlighting the term and the definition in 2 different colors. To exit the highlighter feature, go to the highlighter tools and click on the arrow next to the highlighter icon. To go to the next page, just click on the arrow on the right of the screen and you can continue your reading and highlighting. To save, go to the upper left corner and click the floppy disk icon to save the document. Click OK. And to navigate back to the Universal Library, click the hamburger menu in the upper left corner and click on Universal Library. It will take you back to the Universal Library. Thank you for watching.